All right, guys, so right now I'm going to show you how to load up your project that you created in Cut 2D so the CNC router can actually cut it. So you'll come on over to your computer that talks to your CNC router, and we're going to go to F2 Load. So we're going to load up our project, and we have a shared network file in our lab, so I am going to click on my project, which is Bulldog Practice CNC. I'm going to load that. Okay, so right here it says job name Bulldog Practice CNC. If you remember, we've already loaded our wood, so it's clamped in there and it is ready to go. So now I'm just going to come right over here. It says press cycle start to start your job. This green icon right here is our cycle start button. This red is cycle stop. So if there was ever an emergency or something looked a little off to you, you can just click on that little red icon. But for now, we are ready to go. So we are going to click cycle start. And it is going to pull up an image of your project. Okay, well that looks correct to me. So we're gonna click one more time, cycle start, and it's gonna run it and cut it.